Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective with the gap up, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Although a pretty sketchy looking chart. I'm not going to say that the chart's ruined because that wouldn't be fair. But yeah, the chart is looking shaky, and the level that I would definitely consider a must-hold area going into tomorrow is right here at 22 cents. Why is 22 so important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just better explain why I would consider this such an important level. But if the price were to go down to 22 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from an overall charting perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price came down here, behaved in this manner, and then began to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress again being defined as 22 cents. So we'll see if the price can stay above there or not, but definitely a very, very important level to monitor going forward. What about levels of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, the one dynamic that really stands out to me is this downwards trend line here. You can see that ever since that opening 30 minutes, there is just a downward flow to things. And I get it. I can sit here and say a downward flow, but what does that even mean? Well, that's the cool thing about charts is they allow you to help visualize the words. So the downwards flow here, or better put, the downwards trend here being represented by that trend line there, to me is going to be that main level of resistance. Well, if the price can break above there, then that doesn't guarantee that it's going back up to the highs at 27. But especially if it's a high volume break, then you got to like the upside potential of it. But yeah, right now things are looking shaky, and we'll see if the price can stay up above 22 cents or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.